Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'm just not good enough? These are the chains that hold us back. But today, we break them. Today, we stop making excuses and start getting results. This is the warrior's mindset, and you are about to learn how to speak it, live it, and master it. Welcome to WordCraft English. Let's dive into our first lesson, inspired by a timeless classic. Picture this: a determined fighter, beaten but not broken, pushes himself beyond his limits. He says, "It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward." Let's break that down. "It ain't about ... double quotes is a very informal, powerful way of saying it is not about ... double quotes. It emphasizes the most important point. And the phrase "keep moving forward" is the heart of resilience. It means to continue progressing despite difficulties. It's not just about physical strength, it's about mental endurance. Repeat after me. Keep moving forward. Feel the power in those words. Now, think about another iconic scene where a father, struggling against all odds to provide for his son, says, "Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You got a dream, you gotta protect it." The phrase "you gotta ... double quotes" is a contraction of "you have got to," meaning you must. It expresses a strong obligation or necessity. And to protect your dream means to defend your ambitions fiercely, not just from others, but from your own self. This is a promise you make to yourself. Let's practice that. I gotta protect my dream. Say it like you mean it. So, how do we turn these powerful movie lines into our daily reality? It starts with your language. The words you use shape your mindset. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "How can I do this?" This simple shift opens up possibilities instead of shutting them down. When you feel tired, instead of "I need a break," tell yourself, "I will rest, then I will finish." This is not about denying your feelings. It's about taking control of your actions. You are framing rest as part of the strategy, not an escape. The phrase "discipline beats motivation" is crucial here. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. Discipline is a system. It's what you do regardless of how you feel. When you practice your English every day, even for just 15 minutes, that's discipline. When you choose to study instead of scrolling, that's discipline. It's the small, consistent actions that build a warrior. Start using this phrase in your self-talk. Discipline beats motivation. It reminds you that your commitment is stronger than your mood. Let's look at another powerful expression. Rise above excuses. To rise above something means to overcome it, to not let it control you. Excuses are just stories we tell ourselves to avoid discomfort or fear of failure. "I'm too tired. I don't have time. It's too difficult." When you hear these thoughts, identify them as excuses. Then make a conscious choice to rise above them. You can literally say to yourself, "This is an excuse. I will rise above it." This simple act of naming the excuse and declaring your intention to beat it can change everything. Think of a character facing an impossible challenge. They don't focus on the obstacle. They focus on the outcome. This brings us to our next mindset phrase: focus on results. This means directing all your energy toward the desired goal, not the problems along the way. When learning English, don't focus on the thousands of words you don't know. Focus on learning 5 new words today. That's a result. Don't focus on your accent being imperfect. Focus on making yourself understood in one conversation. That's a result. By focusing on small, achievable results, you build momentum and confidence. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and each step is a result. Now, let's put it all together. The warrior's mindset is a language of action, resilience, and unwavering belief. It's about keeping moving forward even when you get hit. It's about protecting your dream against all negativity. It's understanding that discipline beats motivation every single time. It is the daily practice of rising above excuses and choosing to focus on results, no matter how small. These aren't just lines from a movie. They are tools for building a stronger, more confident you. Your challenge for this week is to choose one of these phrases and live by it. Write it down. Put it on your wall. Say it out loud every morning. When you face a challenge, use your phrase as your weapon. Don't just learn these words. Let them become a part of who you are. The English language is your training ground, and your life is the grand arena. Are you ready to fight for the future you deserve? Remember, warriors don't wait for chances, they create them. Learn English, build your mindset, and grow stronger with WordCraft English. If this lesson inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more motivational English lessons. Thank you for training with us today. Now go out there and get the results you've been fighting for.